So let's get started. How's it going, guys? Welcome to this new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to create an homemade lava lamp with the help of my little handy dandy assistant, John. Hi, John. So let's get started. For our experiment, we need a glass or plastic transparent water bottle, some water, oil, effervescent tablets, and, last but not the least, food coloring. First things first, let's fill a quarter of the bottle with water. And now we need to color it with the food coloring. Don't put too much of it in the water, cause otherwise it'll be wasted. And we don't want to waste stuff, right? If you want to give more brightness to the lamp, you can always add glitter to the mixture. Next step, we have to fill our bottle with oil. Notice the separation process between the water and the oil. The oil will never mingle with the water, as they have different density. In fact, the oil will be on top of the water, as it has lower density. Now you have to prepare, because we are almost there. Let some pieces of the effervescent tablets fall into the bottle, and pay attention as the show starts. At this point, if you aren't familiar with chemistry, you should start to take notes, as I'm going to explain quite fast. The effervescent tablets, when in contact with water, release bubbles of carbon dioxide, which will rise to the surface, bringing part of the colored water we can through the oil. When the gas goes out of the bottle cap, the water falls to the bottom of the bottle, underneath the oil, where it emits new resin bubbles. This process generates the movement inside the lamp, and it's done. So this was the experiment. I sincerely hope you guys liked this video. If so, I invite you to leave a like and subscribe to my channel so you won't lose any of the upcoming videos, and to check out our previous episode of this series. Thanks for watching, hope to see you in the next video. Bye!